Okay guys, how are you doing? I hope you're doing well. I'm Moses from Learning Python. You're welcome. In this session, we are going to create a simple web application in Django, which is CV Online Generator, a special web application for generating PDF CV. Actually, our web application contains sign in, sign up, create CV, edit CV, and delete CV. So I think you will enjoy the operation you are going to learn. Okay, but the thing I think you will enjoy the most is the experience of generating a PDF CV or a PDF report in Django. Let me not talk too much. Let's go to check out the demo of how our web application will look like at the end of this course. So at the end of this course, your web application will look like this. This is home page, okay? Here, this is our sign up page. This is our sign in page. Once user has signed in, he will see the create button, which is special for creating a CV. After creating a CV, user will be able to view CV. After clicking this view button, you can see user can see the CV in PDF. Once I click Ctrl P, you can see I can print it how it looks like, but also I can save it as PDF. But sometimes I may wish to download the CV directly from the browser by clicking the download button. Okay, so once I click, let me click here, get started. So once I click download, you can see I'm able to download my CV. Let me open it up. Okay, so you can see this is my CV in PDF. So this is what you should expect at the end of this course. Alright guys, don't forget to like, put comment, share and subscribe. This is amazing video. Let me sign out here. Okay, thank you.